Assalamu alaikum friends. Today general knowledge question answers. First question is, which animal is biting a snake in the middle of the flag? Mexican flag. Its answer is an eagle. Next question. What year was the design of Pakistani flag adopted? Its answer is 1947. Next question. Which country's flag is a combination of two pennants? Its answer is Nepal. Next question. Which European country has a sun on its flag? Its answer is Macedonia. Next and last question. Which country's flag is the most colorful in the world? Its answer is Belize. Thanks for watching.